Hope you are good. My name is Hamza, and today we are here with another video of how you can make your own app and launch into your app marketplace of GHL. Today we are going to discuss about the custom page capability inside your app. So basically, what you can do is you need to go to your app and go to the modules, and here you can see there's a custom page portion. What it will do, like whenever someone install your app, it will have a custom menu link added in the side navigation. As you can see, I have a custom menu link here for one of our app that we were just making. All you need to do is just to get a name, the placement. You can have this custom menu link page added in the side navigation of your location level, or you can have it in your app detail page. So what is the app detail page basically? So if you go to, when someone install your app, you can he can see your app inside the installed app as well. And when someone install it, that's the detail page of the app, and you will have an other page like here where you can just access this custom page. You have two capability: either you can add it here or you can add it in the side navigation. If you want to add it in the side navigation, all you need to do is to just add a name, the placement selector, and the icon. And here is the live URL. So the question here is now how you can references your location ID, and if you want to check which app which location you are on, which the customer has installed it. That's a bit tricky thing. Like you can add the custom page here, and it will appear in a side navigation or in the app detail page. That's a simple thing. Now, how can you get the details of your location ID and the user who is using this app? For this, we need to use a snippet that GHL provide us, where you can just request a payload. It will be a decrypted payload where you can just decrypt the things and get all the details. I will explain all that stuff in another video, like how you can decrypt all that stuff and get the user detail and the location details along with it.